Okay, dear students, and now we are moving to the next section of the course, Introduction to Linguistics. Okay, linguistics and language. What is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language and its structure. It includes the study of grammar, syntax, and phonetics. And other specific branches of linguistics include social linguistics, psycholinguistics, and neurolinguistics, anthropological linguistics, and so on. But the core components of linguistics are phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. Okay, as I mentioned, the core components of language include phonetics and phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics, and they are called the inner circle. Other important disciplines of linguistics include psycholinguistics, social linguistics, and neurolinguistics. Phonetics. What's that? The study of speech sounds, their production, what speech organs involved in producing them. Phonology, the study of how these speech sounds are combined or arranged together to make words. Morphology, the study of word formation, how complex words are made. This is the internal structure of words. Example, discontinuation is analyzed into discontinuation. Another example, conceptualization, conceptualization. Syntax, the structure of sentence, how words, phrases are grouped together to make meaningful sentences or utterances. Example, Ahmed flew a plane, correct. Ahmed flew his cat. Ahmed flew his cat, strange, this is anomalous. I found you are a good teacher, this is ambiguous because it has two meanings. Taught Ali Sami English, this is incorrect. So syntax enables us to diagnose sentences, whether a sentence is grammatically acceptable or not, and so on. Syntax, the study of the sentence structure. Example, Dave ate a small fish. Dave is subject, and ate is verb, and the small fish is an object, etc. Semantics, a branch of linguistics and logic concerned with meaning. The two main areas are logical semantics, concerned with matters such as reference and presupposition and implication, and lexical semantics concerned with the analysis of word meanings and relations between them, the meaning of word, phrases, or text. But to make it very simple for you, you have just to remember that semantics is the study of the meaning of words in isolation, the meaning of words in isolations or in sentences. That's enough. Okay, what is a presupposition? Making judgment based on what is heard. So presupposition means making judgment based on what is heard. Example, may I have another glass of water? May I have another glass of water? We presuppose that the speaker already drank or ordered a glass of water, and this is the next one. For implication, it's not that important because this is for another level. Core components of linguistics. Okay, semantics. Once again, the study of the relation between words. Happy and glad, cognitive synonyms. Brittany, beautiful, near synonyms. Sad and happy, antonyms. Dead and alive are non-gradable adjectives, and so on. So when we study semantics, we will focus on these things. Other disciplines or sub-branches of linguistics, social linguistics. Just you need to have a brief information concerning or about social linguistics. Social linguistics or social linguistics studies the relationship between society and language. That's all. Psycholinguistics studies the relationship between mind and language. That's all. We're going to touch on some theories or approaches to language. Theories to language acquisition. I mean, how children acquire their first languages or mother tongue. Neurolinguistics, and that is a very important discipline of linguistics. It is the study of how language is represented in our brains. I mean, how and where language is stored and how our brains store language. And neurolinguistics help us to study brain damages and how each brain damage affect language. Because a brain damage doesn't necessarily lead to a total loss of language, but a specific part of language and so on. Okay, I think we finished with these things. This is not so important. Why is language crucial? This is a significant question. Can you imagine life without language? Have you ever imagined an hour passing without using language, or even a minute passing without language? So language is important for the act of communication. People have to use language in order to manage their life. Without language, this will be impossible. Even when we are dreaming, we are using language. We are either talking to other people or we are talked to. If we don't have people to talk to, sometimes we talk to objects around us. Sometimes we are talking to ourselves. That's why language is the most dynamic and active social phenomena. Thank you so much. This is the end of our the presentation. So, inshallah, we will meet next time.